this together and melt it down. Put them inside of the freezer and let them start to come. And start to slowly but surely. Now I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator for a little while. Get the excess off. And I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator for about 5 to 8 minutes. Hey guys, so once you get all of your body butters melted down and your carrier butters are in, your carrier butters or whatever you like to use, whether it's sunflower oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba, I like CBD, vitamin E, whatever you use, and you start to get it to come together. Once you put it back in the refrigerator and get it to start to come together, then you want to start to whip it. This is still a little loose, so it may have to go back in, but I'm gonna start whipping and see how it comes together. First I mix. So before, my butter was coming out really hard and not lotiony like. This is how I want the consistency to be. I want air. I want air in it. I want it to be smooth. I want it to go on soft. Look how fluffy that is, guys. Look how fluffy that is. That is amazing. Look at that. Look at that consistency. And this is how you want your body butter to be. And mine before was a little hard and it didn't have the air in it because my other mixer, look at that consistency. My other mixer wasn't that good, so I could not get it fluffed up exactly how I wanted it. But now I am definitely, and once I added the arrow root powder to it, it helped make it smoother and more like a cream. And look at it, look at it. I am so happy. Oh my God, that is amazing. I took it from this. This is the consistency I was talking about, guys. This is what you want your body butter to look like. And before, I wasn't getting this consistency. Yes, you want it smooth and airy and fluffy.